This is how I make $15,000 by selling free website to local business owners. Sounds crazy, right? You will be wondering, how would I make money if I'm giving away a website totally for free? The truth is, I use a 4-step strategy that's already working for tons of people, including one of my private coaching member, Lucas, who signed 2 clients with $297 each, which is going to make him $600 a month in a single day using this exact strategy. And the best part is, you don't need a marketing experience or tech skills to start doing this WaaS, which is called Website as a Service. Unlike most YouTube gurus who are trying to sell you a $3,000 to $5,000 course, I'm giving you my entire system, which is bringing in consistent income, not just for me, but for the people who are working with me, totally for free. A full step-by-step course, copy-paste templates, sales scripts, private community, and the most important thing you'll be getting access to is my weekly coaching calls to get similar results like these. All I ask in return is to smash the like button and comment down below the questions and doubts you have, and send this video to someone who wants to make some online money with a side hustle that actually works. And these are the 4-step strategy to give them a free website and sign them up for a monthly recurring revenue. First up, look for a local business who don't have a website. Second step is to create them a website, which is not going to take more than 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to do it with the help of pre-built templates. And step 3 is to reaching out to the business to offer this free website. And the step 4 is where you make your money, upselling them with features to sign them up with the monthly recurring revenue. As you can see, we have lots of secret sauce over here, and the best option to search for the business who don't have a website is Google Maps. And what you have to do is to go inside the Google My Business page, search for the niche and the target location. For example, plumbers in Bournemouth, I'm targeting the plumbers in the UK area. And as you can see, most of the businesses have website, but some of them don't have a website like this. MSB Plumbing only has direction, but no website. What you can do is call them up and pitch them a free website. As you have seen in my cold calling video, if you pitch them a free website, it's a high probability of you booking a meeting with them. And inside the meeting, you can show them a website, which I'm going to show in the next step. And when you show them this free website inside the meeting, there is no way they're going to say no to your offer because it's free. They need a website and you are giving them for free. And now I'll play you an actual clip to give you a better understanding on how to do this while cold calling.
Hello, is this JT Plumbing?
Yes, it is, yeah.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if you guys were open. You're open and doing services, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing, man. Sounds good. So, believe it or not, I actually went ahead and built you a high converting website totally for free. If you had like 10 to 15 minutes, I can show you on a video call. If you like the website, you can keep it for free.
I'm right in the middle of something, going at the kids and stuff, so I'm not free right now.
Can I give you a call at 5 or 6 maybe when you're free?
I won't be free for the rest of the day now, but yeah, I've got care and stuff to do, so you could call me tomorrow if you wanted.
Absolutely. At what time will you be free tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe lunchtime?
Maybe at like 12 or 1?
Yeah, should we say 12:30?
Absolutely, mate. I'll give you a call at 12:30.
Lovely, thank you.
You have a nice day. Bye. See you tomorrow. That's how you do it.
And the second step is to actually create a website for the local business before even going for a meeting. For this, we're going to use the templates, which is inside the Go High level. For this, what you have to do is go inside the sites, click on the new funnel. We have 3 different options here, but this is the first 2 Go inside the templates. We have templates for literally all the niches, but at the moment we are looking for a plumbing website. And as you can see, there are many good looking plumbing websites. For example, we'll click on the first one. There you go. This plumbing website actually looks nice with the proper sections, and we're gonna click on the continue. And after picking your template for your specific niche, what you have to do is change the logo after booking a meeting with the client acquisition, which we're gonna see in the next step. But for this, you have to go inside Canvas and you just have to search plumbing logo, and you get to have lots of different logo styles. For example, when we looked into this business which didn't have a website, for example, MSB Plumbing, and you can just pick one of the logo template and change the name of the business who you have booked a meeting with. And you just have to change this logo inside the template which you have just created inside the Canva within like 2 minutes. And when you show this entire website on your first meeting with the client will trust you more because you have put some time and effort into this from their perspective, but it just took you less than 5 minutes to set it up. And you don't have to do this every single time you book a meeting with a business owner. You just pick a template and switch the logo, change the name over and over again, which is not going to take you more than 1 minute, just changing the name on the top. And this is how I exactly signed this £1,000 client. And on top of it, I signed him for 197 monthly recurring revenue. And I will play this clip just to explain you how you have to do this.
And again, I'm just letting you know that this is just a first draft. We can change anything from start to end. This is going to be the basic structure of the site. And as you can see, we have like the color palettes, the galleries, all the text. Yeah, this is just the first draft with all the placeholders on the place.
Okay, we can change the colors here, can we?
Sorry, man?
We can change the colors, can we?
You can change the colors, you can change this image, you can change the text. I didn't want to come to the meeting without having anything from my side. So I want you to trust me before asking you anything. So I just wanted you to know I've done something and I've did some research on what works on what doesn't work on roofing sites. So which is going to be helpful for you and me.
So you've gone off and you've done some research on roofing companies before, yes, and you're offering me a free website.
Yes.
And as you would have seen in the clip, you do have to mention that this is the first draft. And I actually signed this client while pitching for a free website and upsold him for a 5-page website. Yes, I do give free website for 1-page site, and anything above that, if they want 5-page or 10-page website, I do have my own payment plans. And with that, I upsold him for a 5-page website for £997, and on top of it, 197 pounds for a monthly recurring revenue with all the automations and add-ons which he's getting within this website. And I think you can see my screen. I got this £1,800 just yesterday, 22 hours ago. It's just to show you that you don't have to sell the website actually for free all the time when you're reaching out. It's a hook. It's not bait and switch. It's a hook. What I would do is I reach out to them with a free website offer and I will try to sell them a 5-page website. Yes, if they want a free website, it's just going to be a 1-page website with changing their logo and changing their offer, which is not going to take more than 10 to 20 minutes and adding the domain. And if they want a 5-page website, I charge them 1,000 to 2,000. Or if they want 10-page or more, I charge them 2,000 to 3,000. So you don't have to sell a website actually for free all the time. When you are more experienced and confident in your service, you can actually get paid for the setup fees instead of just selling the website. But yes, if you're starting out, selling website for free when exchange of a monthly recurring revenue is the best option. But when you have like lots of clients inside your Go High Level account, and if you want your upcoming clients to pay you a setup fees and a monthly recurring revenue, you can do what I'm doing at the moment. But if you're starting out, free website is the best option to stack up your monthly recurring revenue, and you can actually pay for a Go High Level subscription fees with the help of your client subscription to your service. In the first step, we have found businesses without website. In the second step, we have actually built a website which didn't even took like 5 minutes. And the third step is to actually reach out. We have this 5 different proven strategy which you don't have to pay for it. Cold calling is the best option to get more quick results. Facebook groups, if people don't want a cold call, Facebook group is the best place. If you don't want to running behind clients all the time to sign them, content is the best way to get inbound clients. And the fourth place is referral. For example, if you have lots of older clients who are paying you $297 or $497 a month, if they bring you one more client, they don't have to pay that $197 or $497. By this way, they have been incentivized to bring you more clients. So you can charge them $1,000 to $3,000 setup fees and $97 to $497 monthly recurring revenue fees. And the fifth place is to network with actual local business to sign them. And I have gone deep in all the strategy with proven scripts and results, not just for me, and for the people who are working with me one-on-one. And I will pin that video in the description so that you can watch that video after watching this one. And now it's time to upsell these clients with the monthly recurring revenue offers, which are SEO, Google review automation, and hosting fees. And what I would recommend is only do SEO, Google review, and hosting for $97 with a 14-day free trial. So you're giving lots of values upfront without asking for any money. And once you have signed them up inside your Stripe invoice, so they're not paying you yet, but if they want to keep on using the website and the service you're providing, they will be more than happy enough to pay you the $97 after the end of the 14-day free trial. And you can sweeten the offer by giving more add-ons, for example, mixed call text pack, database deactivation, and a lot more automation, which we are going to see in a minute. So after seeing all these values you're giving, and which is going to actually help them to book more meetings and saving them more time by just having these systems and the free website. And the only thing you have to do is set this up once. You'd be getting paid anywhere from $97 to $497 every single month. And it's just going to take 5 minutes to set up the website and 10 minutes to set up all the automations. So I will show you all the automations and how it works. And for example, this is one of the services we can provide to the local businesses along with the free website to get the monthly recurring revenue, which is Google review automation. This automation can negate negative reviews and only get positive reviews. I will show you what I mean by this. For example, if the customer wants to give you negative reviews to your clients, for example, if they want to click 2-star reviews, it's not going to send them to the Google My Business page to send the review. It's going to send them to a page where they're going to ask the name, email, and the feedback. And by doing this, two things will happen. They're lowering the negative reviews inside the Google My Business page. And by this, they're actually giving valuable feedback to their business, and they can fix the thing which is actually going wrong inside the business. And for example, if the customer is trying to leave a 5-star review, it's going to take them straight to their Google My Business page, and they can leave a 5-star review like this. And these are all of the automation for the review automations and the reputation management. As you can see, we have 4 different automations. The first automation is the best because you can actually hook them up with their system. This is where you ask the review for the past customers. So you just ask their past customers a list of emails and names and numbers, and you add their contact details inside their sub account and trigger this all the automation, and it will send them a offer along with a review link. So if they send a 5-star review, they can get the offer from the client. So by this way, your client will get more 5-star review upfront, so they can see the value upfront without you asking any money. So they will trust you more, and they will be more inclined to keep on paying you this $97 or $497 as long as they are happy with your services. If you want these automation totally for free, what you can do is click the link in the description, and after clicking the first link in the description, you can just sign up to Go High Level with my referral link, and you'll have free trial to Go High Level. Along with the free trial, you get to access $15,000 worth of bonuses like this: plug and play snapshots, step-by-step tutorials, sales script recording, client acquisition strategy, weekly coaching calls, accountability system, and a high-level community totally for free. And you get to have similar results like the people who have been working with me and getting results like really quick in days or weeks. And you are literally getting everything for free, and I will be beside you and helping you to get your first few clients within your Go High Level journey. So I hope you see how simple it is. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're just looking for a business who don't have a website, and you're going into the Go High Level, picking a free template, setting everything up along with the logo for just 5 minutes, and you're signing them up inside your Go High Level sub account, and you're copy pasting my automation inside the sub account for a monthly recurring revenue. And since you're leading with lots of free values without asking for any money, giving free website, giving free trials for your system, which is not going to take you any more than 20 to 30 minutes to set it up just for once. And when they see the power of the system you have set up inside the business for this clients, which is going to help them save a lot of money and time by getting more clients without spending any money on ads. And since you are solving a big problem inside their business is by saving more time and getting more clients within their business, they will gladly pay you anywhere from $97 to $597. No question asked. And this is exactly, you can build a monthly recurring revenue business. You just have to stack client and scale like crazy. And if you want my personal help along with all the systems and templates, which is bringing in 5 to 6 figure every single month, not just for me and for all the private members who are working with me one-on-one, you will get everything for free. All I'm asking in return is for you to use my Go High Level affiliate link. By this way, you are getting a free trial to this account and all the help for free. And I'll be getting a small commission to keep creating more resources like this to help you succeed in your Go High Level journey. So if you're ready to start your agency and stop overthinking, click the first link in the description, sign up to Go High Level with my referral link, and I will see you guys inside my one-on-one coaching calls.